What's up everybody, Lewster here. Today I got to travel on the Central Line. Woohoo! Anyways, you join me today here, just down a few minutes away from West Ruislip, here at South Ruislip. I did West Ruislip on the Chiltern platform, so I thought I would do South Ruislip on the Central Line platforms this time. This is just all the station really. Central Line platforms here, then you got the Chiltern Railways platforms there. But yes, today here at South Ruislip, I'm not going to be having my usual hour here. I'll only be filming for like half an hour because I'll be getting the next Chiltern Railways Aylesbury service out of here back towards High Wycombe. So yeah, I'm only going to have like half an hour here, but arriving in over here is a Central Line 1992 stop for London Underground heading to West Ruislip. And yes, if any of you guys do spot the lack of camera work or shaky camera and that stuff, I apologise. It's just me being ridiculous. But anyways, anyway, as I was saying, today here at South Ruislip you'll be seeing services by Chiltern Railways and then also the London Underground Central Line as well. This 92 stop on the left is departing now for West Ruislip, and then arriving in over here is going to be the 12:37 Chiltern Railway service to London Marylebone from Aylesbury with the class 165. And yes, this station is on the Chiltern Mainline and also the London Underground Central Line. Anyways, 165021 is on this Chiltern Railways class 165. Anyways, this Chiltern Railways class 165 arrives into South Ruislip now with the 12:38 Chiltern Railway service to London Marylebone from Aylesbury with 165021. And as this Chiltern Railways class 165 arrives into South Ruislip now, it's a small station. This is the Central Line platform, so London Underground. Then adjacent over there is also the Chiltern Mainline, the Chiltern Mainline platforms, where that Chiltern 165 is over there now. We're just ready to depart for London Marylebone, I think. Whenever he is ready. Doors are just shutting now and he's ready to go. That took a little bit long there, innit? Anyway, that Chiltern Railways 165 departs South Ruislip now with the 12:38 Chiltern Railway service to London Marylebone from Aylesbury via High Wycombe. Yes, I am filming this video on a Saturday, so yeah, you will understand why this has come from Aylesbury and not High Wycombe itself. So yes, quite an exciting station. Well, when I say exciting, in my opinion, exciting, but I don't know about you lot. It's probably better than West Ruislip, although West Ruislip is more popular than South Ruislip. But yes, both are on the Chiltern Mainline and both are on the London Underground Central Line, with West Ruislip being the terminus. Talking of the Central Line, we've got a 1992 stock for London Underground Central Line arriving in. And then I can also hear a Chiltern train as well, I think. But anyways, as this London Underground Central Line 1992 stock arrives into South Ruislip now on the Central Line, I shall see all when this service goes. Now departing is going to be the London Underground Central Line service to Epping. With one of the 1992 stocks, they're known as saunas to me because they're dead hot. But anyways, there's that London Underground 1992 stock for Central Line. Heads off out to South Ruislip now to do its own business towards Central London. As you see, so when the next train comes here at South Ruislip on both the Chiltern Mainline and the London Underground Central Line. And I am filming on the Central Line platforms today because I did West Ruislip on the Chiltern platforms. But yeah, anyway, no more yapping. I shall catch you all when the next train comes. Now arriving into another Central Line 92 stock. And this London Underground Central Line 1992 stock is off to West Ruislip. But as this now arrives in, I shall see us all when the service departs. Now departing to be a London Underground Central Line 92 stock for West Ruislip. Anyways, as that London Underground Central Line 1992 stock departs for West Ruislip, passing through on the Chiltern side. Is a Chiltern Railways doubled up Class 168, and yay, we got a refurbished 168 at the rear, 168 218. Is what I know is now refurbished, and then it was a 2-car 168, I believe, what was at the front. I think it was 168 324. I didn't catch the numbers, but that passes through with the 1243 Chiltern Railway service to Birmingham Moor Street from London Marylebone. But as that Chiltern Railways doubled up Class 168 passes through South Ruislip now. And if you did see the shaky camera there, I'm sorry, but there was a bee that was right near me, so yeah. And I get a little bit movement with them, so yeah. This video has been too much yapping, hasn't it? I shall see you all when the next train comes, folks, and I promise to not do much more yapping. Now getting ready to arrive into South Ruislip is going to be another London Underground Central Line 1992 stock known as the Tube, specifically on the Central Line. Yes. But anyways, this London Underground Central Line 1992 stock is about to arrive into South Ruislip now with a service to Epping from West Ruislip. So yes, we do get another 92 stock. About to enter into South Ruislip now, onto the Central Line platforms. I'm pretty sure you can just see it in the distance. I think I started recording early now, but it is coming over, so yeah, it's not the end of the world. Got some wind turbulence there. And yes, the wind turbulence, known as the air, just went flattering into my face. Into my face. No, that's why I went whoa. But anyways, as this London Underground Central Line 1992 stock arrives into South Ruislip now, so see when this goes. Now departing is going to be a London Underground Central Line 1992 stock. Help me, there's loads of girls. Am I forgetting I'm recording here? That London Underground Central Line 1992 stock departs South Ruislip now for Epping, and there was loads of girls. Don't worry, I'll stop now. I don't even want one anyway. But anyways, as that heads off now, I shall catch you all when the next train comes here at South Ruislip. And I'm moving up a bit. Oh, actually, the next train's coming now. It's a Chiltern Mainline class 165. Just caught it. Heading to Oxford, I think. 165028. And 165026. I literally just caught that Chiltern Railways Class 165 passing through South Ruislip over on the Chiltern Mainline side as I was just about to pause. So yes, that passed through with the 12:49 Chiltern Railway service to Oxford. Yes, I was right. But as that Chiltern 165 heads off and away, arriving in over on this side, another Central Line 1992 stop for London Underground for West Ruislip. And the driver's got some headphones on. Is he listening to music? The lucky chap. But anyways, as this service now arrives in, I shall catch us all when this service departs. Now departing is going to be another London Underground Central Line 1992 stock heading off to West Ruislip now from Epping. And off he goes. And as that London Underground Central Line 1992 stock disappears out of South Ruislip, I shall catch us all when the next train comes here at South Ruislip. Now arriving in is going to be another London Underground Central Line 1992 stock heading off to Epping from West Ruislip, arriving into South Ruislip. And as this Central Line train comes in into South Ruislip now, I shall see you all when this service goes. Now departing is going to be another Central Line 92 stock. Anyways, that London Underground Central Line 1992 stock departs South Ruislip now for Epping, and then over here is going to be another Chiltern train. Arriving on my left is going to be another Central Line 1992 stock for London Underground heading to West Ruislip, but I am going to catch the Chiltern train for this clip because we've seen too many Central Line London Underground trains. But yes, this 165 is going to pass through South Ruislip now for London Marylebone from Oxford. One 65012. And 165032 passes through South Ruislip now for London Marylebone from Oxford at the 12:55 service, and then departing over here is this mysterious Central Line train. And as that London Underground Central Line 1992 stock heads off out of South Ruislip now, I accidentally pressed the pause button there. I shall see you all when the next train comes here at South Ruislip, and I can press the pause button now. Now arriving in is going to be another London Underground Central Line 1992 stop for Epping from West Ruislip. And as this service comes in now into South Ruislip now, this tube train, I shall see you all when this service departs. Now arriving in is going to be another London Underground Central Line 1992 stop for West Ruislip from Epping. The other Central Line train towards Epping has just departed now, and then this arrives in. This will be our final train of today here at South Ruislip, but I shall see you all when this London Underground Central Line 1992 stop departs. Now departing is going to be our final train of today, which will be a London Underground Central Line 1992 stop for West Ruislip. And as that London Underground Central Line 1992 stock tube train disappears out of South Ruislip now towards its western brother West Ruislip, I shall conclude today's video here at South Ruislip. If you all enjoyed, please give us a like and subscribe as always, as it would help out a lot. And yes, I am going to head back up north at the Chiltern Mainline now. I might get the Central Line over to West Ruislip and then go board me Chiltern train from there, because I can. But yes, other than that, it has been quite a good video, if I'm being honest. It's all worked out pretty well here at South Ruislip and also West Ruislip as well, because I filmed there too. But in terms of the South Ruislip part, it's worked out very well. I am pretty happy. But yes, that'll round it off for today's video though, and it'll also round off my little stint in northwest London as well, as I am about to head back up north of the Chiltern Mainline now, as I'm not going to reveal anything, but I am going to film at one more station along the Chiltern Mainline, north of High Wycombe, I shall say, and then I will also film at a West Midlands station, one of the major ones as well, in the West Midlands. Well, I might, I don't know. I think and it's also the busiest station outside of London as well, that West Midlands one. I think you know what I'm referring to. And then I'll also film at one station along the Chiltern Mainline as well, north of High Wycombe. So yes, and that station is also a big one for the Chiltern Mainline too. But yes, anyways, that's enough from me, and that's also enough London Underground Central Line action as well. I will hopefully be back in London in the summer, not just in London boroughs, but specifically in the city. I don't know if I am going to do another one of these where I go around like the London boroughs and then head back out, and then I also got another big trip, another big train spotting trip booked as well. Although I won't be going into London, but I will be seeing TfL trains, specifically on the Elizabeth line. So yes, purple trains. But yeah, that's enough from me now. That's enough yapping from me. But yes, as for me, here at South Ruislip on the London Underground Central Line and also the Chiltern Mainline, I shall see you all in my next video. Peace out. With the 1440 anti-West Coast service coupled with